In this video guide, I will show with you how to open WorldFirst bank accounts. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for WorldFirst, click the first website here. You will see this page. From here, click on sign up. This is a sign up for your bank accounts. You have different plan. For example, if you are a e-commerce seller, choose this one. This is for e-commerce seller. Just await to loading this page. From here, this is a login here page, this section. This is for opening accounts. So just await. As you can see here, friends, you have different plan. You have service provider, you have freelancer, developer, and then choose your countries, and then click continue. For example, registered, click confirm. After that, write your first name, write your last name, and then choose your mobile number, and then choose your verification codes, choose your login password. If you have invitation code, choose this one, and then complete your steps verification. So friends, this is how you can do. You can also download this app to opening your accounts. Just download this app and then complete your processing. I hope this guide is helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just fill this information here and complete security steps.